Hey guys, it's me. I'm back. Welcome to my mess of a master bathroom. I decided we weren't going to spend too much time chit-chatting. We were going to get straight to work here. I'm going to bring to you a extreme declutter and clean with me. So grab your cup of coffee, sit back, and relax.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feel so.
So we're all friends here, right? Well, if you're in the United States, you were here when we went through the shortage of toilet paper. We had stocked up plenty, so I never ended up having to use this. But because we were getting close, I bought one of these. Actually, a 3-pack. If you've had a baby in the United States, you probably know what this is. But it's basically a handheld bidet to clean your undercarriage. And yeah, so I went on Amazon and bought those just in the event of not being able to restock on toilet paper. I thought it was pretty genius. You'll learn something when you follow me. Be sure to like and subscribe for more handy tips and life hacks. All right, so this is what we're starting with, and this is what we're left with. So I've got my product overflow. These are the products that we use all the time, every day. I shop at Sam's, so I usually buy in bulk. And so these are things that I shop first before I go buy anything. I have my dip powder / fingernails. You're gonna see a lot more of that because I love doing my own nails. I have this fun hair dye. Let's say if this video gets 2,000 likes, I will dye my hair a fun color for you guys, and I'll surprise you on which color I use. This is like a neon pink purple, and this is like a burgundy color. So if you want to see that, like this video. I had no idea what this blue purple stuff was, but it was some sort of soap, and it just was not gonna come out of this drawer. So I had to leave it as a little stain. This was actually a little utensil tray that I got for the kitchen declutter that I did not end up using, and it fit perfectly here to organize my little odds and ends. Can I just take a moment and pat myself on the back for not having a completely destroyed drawer? This is going to take just a couple minutes of tidying up and it will be good to go. If you're interested in these cute little bins, I actually got these, I think from TJ Maxx, or yeah, I think TJ Maxx. And I think they were only like $3.99 for the set. And I have an extra one lying around somewhere. It was like a set of 5. I know I'm gonna have somebody ask why my brush is attached to a string. And I'm curious, why do you think I have it attached to string? I'd be interested to hear your guesses down below. Let's see if somebody gets it. If you've seen my Instagram, you already know the answer, but let's play a game. Let's see who can get it.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place.
I saved the best cabinet for last. I'm actually really excited about this, and I'm going to have this whole cabinet dedicated to my nail stuff. Here's stuff that I pulled out from the other cabinets that are nail related. Most of this is also nail related. I am planning on paring down quite a bit. I know there's a lot of old fingernail polishes in there that I just need to toss. I'm just gonna try and whittle down to what I know I'm going to use. I even bought this with the intention of organizing my stuff. This is gonna be like a little nail salon in a cabinet. I'm gonna tell you that right now. Let's get to work.
Always been a restless girl, but now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way. Longing for you, pick up the phone, catching a flight, I'm coming home, back to the place I've always known. Home, home, seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun and spending this summer alone. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. You were only like a friend, till we met the other day. Didn't want the night to end.
Well, I ran into a problem. My great idea. Don't you just hate it when that happens? My perfectly laid plan is no good.
And now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way. You're stuck inside my mind, deep inside my mind.
So I was hoping to get this drawer fixed for this video, but we got the wrong parts for it. So we'll have to do that another time. Unfortunately, this drawer bit the dust a while back. When you have small kids hanging on drawers, this is what happens. Oh well. Nothing's going as planned, it seems. I'm so mad right now because it literally fell apart in Steven's hand.
Right after you said nothing's going as it should, or as planned.
Right after I hit the stop recording button. Oh, bummer. Alright, I was able to downsize my fingernail polishes and my dip powders. I was able to put together a little nail station. I think after I'm done with this, I will be doing my nails. Like I tell my kids, the cleaner your space is, the more fun it is to play with. This is kind of a mommy version for that. The more tidy my nail supplies are, the more fun they are to play with. And then I think for this, I'm just gonna organize my color street based on color, and that way they're easier to go through. And then I have some miscellaneous nail supplies that I just used to replenish this. So I'm gonna put that in here too. So this isn't gonna go to waste. Sometimes you just have to adapt, right?
I think that now's the time. Longing for you, pick up the phone. Catching a flight, I'm coming home. Back to the place I've always known. Home, home. Seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun. And spending this summer alone. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. I'm counting hours, minutes, seconds, faster. Hurry, make it happen. Before we know it, I'll be on my way home. Yeah, we're chilling, I just, you and I. Every crazy summer night, baby, I am coming home. I'm coming home. Longing for you, pick up the phone. Catching a flight, I'm coming home. Back to the place I've always known. Home, home. Seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun. And spending this summer alone. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe. Striking.
Okay, so clearly I am overflowing on my hair products and my fragrances. So I need to go through these and see if I can't pare down a little bit.
Striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You.
I was able to downsize considerably. That feels good.
Never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night.
Right now I have a 3-year-old who is obsessed with toothpaste. And he just loves squirting it out and putting it on his toothpaste, getting it all over the place. So this is a regular occurrence in our bathroom.
And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We'll never need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I, singing from the top of a line.
So aggressive. I like it.
Put your back into it.
We are currently taking back to see how long it takes to get the drawer fixed.
Oh yeah?
Place your bets below.
My bet is 2 weeks. Or do I not get the bet since it's me doing it? Well then don't put your bet before 2 weeks.
That'd be insider trading. Stay tuned. I've decided that Steven's gonna have to make an appearance in every video for you guys. You're welcome.
Dancing by the lakeside, gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we
have no idea why this part gets so filthy. Every time I clean that bathroom, it always looks that gross. I do not know why that collects so much dirt and dust, but oh well. Oh, just totally sprayed myself. It's kind of hard to film and clean the shower at the same time. I'm trying to get good shots for you guys because this is a very satisfying clean.
And our hearts will be whole again. I want to remember all that happened to us. 'Cause
My most favorite part of any cleaning job is the floors. There's just something so satisfying about vacuuming and mopping that just make my heart so happy. And it also tells me that I'm almost done. So that's got to be something too. Thank y'all so much for joining me today in this extreme declutter and cleaning video. Please like, subscribe, comment. We are so grateful for the engagement, and join us back next Monday for our next decluttering video. And I also have a bonus video for y'all coming this week. So stay tuned for that.